and the top slide returns to its datum point, and at the same time, the spindle is automatically switched off. When finished, the operator removes the holder. As can be seen, only a minimum of polishing is required. As demand for contact lenses increases, many laboratories are finding orders are outstripping production capabilities. They also face difficulties in finding high-quality staff. This has brought a positive requirement for greater efficiency in control of work, labour and machine loadings. The City Crown Flexible Manufacturing System, or FMS, controls a series of CNC multi-curve lathes via a personal computer, providing a data bank with capacity to retain details of thousands of different lens designs, each related to specific customers. In addition, the materials from which the lenses are made, plus their particular cutting information, are retained in memory and accessed by entering the relevant job or patient number. This data can then be relayed downline to any particular lathe connected to the network for work to be carried out. FMS can be tailored to the specific needs of some of the world's largest contact lens production laboratories, and also provides many advantages for the smaller, specialist prescription laboratories. The third element in the City Crown multi-curve system is the multi-universal lathe. This combines the production benefits of the multi-base curve and the multi-front curve lathes, cutting both the front and base lens surfaces on the same machine. On the multi-universal, however, button loading is by hand. All functions are under the direct control of the Epson PX4 computer, whether cutting a multi-curved front or base surface. Thus, the spindle rotates in the correct direction for the surface being cut and eliminates operator error in setting the top slide, protractor angle, spindle speed and cutting feed. The cutting of the base curve is now demonstrated, followed by the machining of the front surface. As before, pressing the cycle button starts the automatic cutting operation. The tool post contains cutting tools both for diametering and radius cutting. The first operation, diametering, is carried out from the top slide before radiusing. Button contact against the probe indicates to the computer its exact position, all machine movement calculations being made from this point of reference. The first diametering cut is followed by a finishing cut, ensuring an excellent surface finish on the outside diameter of the lens. Top slide and headstock adjust position for the radiusing to take place. First, the roughing cuts, then the finer finishing cuts. The swarf is removed by vacuum extraction. A jet of compressed air directed at the cutting tool aids the removal of swarf and also cools the tip of the diamond tool. These functions are essential in producing a fine surface finish, normally measured at better than 2 microinches. On completion, the brass chuck and button are removed for inspection and measurement in preparation for the second operation, the front surface. Prescription details are keyed into the computer and the reblocked button and chuck are loaded. The cycle button is pressed and the probe deflection starts the front surface cutting operation. Slide movements, accurate to less than 2 microns, produce the fine cuts that give the superlative high finish to the multi-curved surface. To summarize, the multi-curve system enables the designer to rely on consistent accuracy and quality in the production of thinner, more comfortable lenses. Computer control of all machine settings, spindle speeds and cutting feeds eliminates operator error, reduces rejects and increases production. Other computer benefits include the ability to cut up to 10 curves on each surface. Successive lens prescriptions can be entered while the machine is operating. A self-diagnostic fault-finding program. An optional networking facility using the City Crown flexible manufacturing system. Programs written in basic language, enabling the user to change the software to suit new requirements. All multi-curve system lathes can cut hard, gas-permeable or soft lens material. Little training is required for inexperienced operators to produce high-quality, accurate lenses. City Crown lathes and systems have proved their reliability in both production and prescription laboratories throughout the world for over 17 years. Extreme accuracy is the City Crown hallmark. The City Crown Service Worldwide Backup provides spare parts and service wherever or whenever it's needed, from service centres strategically placed throughout the world. City Crown are the reliable, long-established market leaders, front runners in contact lens lathe development. The advanced City Crown CNC multi-curve system, available now. City Crown, dedicated to excellence.